So, so I'm certain that they would be willing to hire you or to employ you for 6 months.
Oh, I get it.
Okay? That's why he smiled that way. Yeah, right. You can pull this one on me. Okay. Where do you, Bob?
Honey fire to soil column.
Fired is a flash. So Honig
Flash
fired.
came in his eyes.
Yeah.
Or Colin's eyes.
Yeah.
His eyes?
Or it's anger or whatever.
Life?
Yeah. Okay. Somewhat poetic. I don't think there was literally a flash. But yeah, okay. You were a tree jag. Okay.
After an evil look.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Look up
Kind of an angry look, you might say. Yeah.
Geall Shanach man he may in one tasje as machud severish naas machud carriage.
Okay. So Gyalamsha.
what you did with the promise.
Yeah, I promise. Gyalamsha. Nach manime ein wuntashte. Wuntashte is like an advantage. So nach manime ein wuntashte. That I won't take any advantage of or make any advantage of. As machid severish.
100% of wealth.
Yeah, my wealth. Na as machid karja.
Nor my friends.
Nor my friends. So I'm not going to make use of my wealth or my friends.
What's na again?
Nor, in this case. There's a couple different nas there. Karjag, Bob.
Tucky may Geall-Cuid as machud jarget hain mar kuno thumb the dus bara Shannon made.
So togi me rached euro. Hey. Yeah, rached euro is 200 euro. As machid hain.
As
My
my
portion of
that
the
portion
money.
of money.
From my own money, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. And the chid there means portion, but you really don't have to translate it. As machid out of my own money. Mar hunavdom.
Because
Mar has two meanings that are pretty common. One means because, the other is like. So in this case it's like. Or actually, or for. Or as. Yeah, like or as.
That only had two
Like,
meanings.
okay. Like or as, so I guess, okay, maybe it has more than two meanings. Okay. So, as would be so as, kunav is, the expression, the kunav J, with God's help. So kunav is help. So, mar kunav dom, so as a help for me, or assistance for me. Idus baira. It's at start. Okay, tus means start. Baira literally is like a match or a game. So in the beginning of the game, basically. Ilar baira is in kind of the middle of things, and it's in the middle of the game. Okay, but in the idus baira literally just in the beginning, at first. Okay. Shinamage. That's all. Yeah. Okay. Shinamage. Literally, that's the amount. That's the sum. Okay, that's it. Cuid, Bob.
The one he made also der be ella as machud carriget ach awan veder agas gandala.
Okay, so ni wanime usaj erbe ella. So ni wanime, we have to talk about ban in a little bit, but usaj, what's that? What word in English does that sound like?
Use.
Use. So ni wanime usaj is I won't make use. Erbe,
Of any
Yeah.
or
other.
any use, yeah, any use. Erbe ella,
Other.
any other use. As machijaragij,
my money.
achawine means except.
Except.
Bajer. Bajer?
Maker.
Unless.
Perhaps.
Perhaps.
Igas egandala. You might not know those words. In case of emergency, egandala is emergency. Good word to know. Okay. Egandala. Right. Yeah. Egandala is emergency, but you see a lot of things that are emergency things will say whatever egandala. So it's whatever of emergency. Okay. Shejeg, Bob.
Accuse a cost shin ni one he made in soccer person to us.
Okay, a few sachashin.
Words.
Anyone know a few? Even also. Has more than one meaning, even in this case. Yeah. Ach fiú sa chás sin. Even sa chás sin. Cos is. So it's cos?
Even in that case.
That's cos without the fada, right? Cos actually looks like an English word.
Yeah.
Case. Okay, few sachas shin in that case.
But in that,
Niwani me in socher. Socher is like benefit. So niwani me in socher persanta us. And I won't get any personal benefit out of it. Okay? I'll explain buying more later. Okay, shachtig, Hubert.
Ma echnitar me a bust, baghi me an bust shin lachrach.
Okay, so ma echnicher me e bost. No, post is job. Okay, ma echnicher me e bost. If I'm recognized in a job. Okay, foggy me and post shin. Fog.
I'll leave that job.
I'll leave. Foggy me and post shin. I'll leave that job. Leihrach. Immediately. Okay. Ochteg river.
Yeah, what's the word for 50? Kuga or?
Koiga, yeah, Koiga Mila in this one.
Kuga, okay.
I should have written them out actually.
Jade he no lon mahasa a yeno le kuga mela euro arson doctor.
Okay, say the doctor. Dating.
Kofi.
Alan Mahasa. Yeah. Mahasa is related to Ma.
A lot of goodness.
That's good.
to do.
A lot of good. Alan Mahasa Ayeno. Okay. With 50,000. I could do a lot of good with 50,000 euro, said the doctor. Okay. Nijeg, Robert.
And will to a narira.
Serious. In our rear, are you serious? Okay. Ficha,
Well,
Robert.
who said that? The doctor?
Shin and doctor, right?
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Time long darira when yao show a yarwi column.
So time long darira fuinyal shell. Yeah, I'm completely serious, fully serious. Fuinyal shell.
Concerning the bet here.
Yeah, about this bet. A Yaravi column, said column, stated column. Okay. Yeah, ficha hein, Robert.
Agus bean bua agam. Be kinte de shin.
Okay. Begin tradition. Yeah. Agus bay and bua agam. Remember what bua is. That's how his column's whole story started, with a bua. It's a win or victory. So bay and bua agam is I will win it. Okay. I will win. Literally, I will have the victory. Be kinchadishin. Be certain of that. Okay?
Say bay, would that mean I would win?
Bay, yeah. Bay and bua agam means I will win.
Oh, it's I will win.
Yeah, I will have the victory. Yeah. Ficha do, Robert.
Recommended Dorton doctor.
Bekamage. We'll see. A Dorten Doctor. Ficha tree, Robert.
In she mer tro and darish.
So hinche mer. Remember what mera or mera are? It's in our body part bingo.
Fingers, isn't it?
Fingers. So hinche mer. Sheen. He stretched out, he pointed, okay. Hinche mer. Idro and dorish.
You pointed out the door.
Yeah, he pointed at the door. He stretched the finger in the direction of the door, literally. Okay, he pointed at the door. Okay, Roberta, ficha kaher.
Miletanish.
Imi ladanish, okay.
Now go away.
And Geall-Cuid.
Plug column, vacant, eat the air, dog and shamra agus, gun and doris, de flavna, yeah.
Okay, so hog column fechant ieta air.
You put a look on it?
Yeah, it's a wild look. He gave him a wild look.
Oh, well, look.
Dog and shomra,
Left or right?
agus gun and doris.
Close the door.
The flub is with a slam. Okay? In a year.
Yeah.
behind him.
Sweet.
In his behindness or something like that in the I don't know how to describe it in.
What's the difference between arsa and dirt?
Dort means said, arsa means said, but you wouldn't say arsa when you're having a conversation. You would say dort. So if you're telling what someone said, you'd say dortche, da 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 da. You wouldn't say arsa unless you're reading a story. It's more of a literary word.
Are we gonna interpret wild as annoyed again?
Yeah, I mean, I guess that's like the flash in the eye thing. You give him you gave him a look. Okay, so Ibrahim. Diary and doctor, agus dos go sé an doras. So the doctor got up, diary and doctor, agus dos